Hello Internet, it's Nick from Tractor Time Equipment in Victoria, British Columbia. Just thought I'd give you an overview on Mahindra's small subcompact tractor. It's the eMax 20S. Go over some of the highlights, just show you around. So this is it beside me here. So a true subcompact machine, so physically sits like most of the subcompacts, right? Fairly low to the ground, but four-wheel drive, quite a robust machine. It's good for over 600 pounds of loader lift capacity, almost 700 pounds of three-point lift hitch capacity. This machine is actually made in South Korea with a Japanese Yanmar engine, so a very reliable, well-known engine supplier. No DPF, so no particulate filters, no DEF fluid requirements. Nice simple tractor with very little in the way of electronics. You can see from an ergonomic standpoint, it comes with a really nice seat with adjustable armrests. The controls, as we see closest to us, the joystick, so it's a single joystick for the bucket roll and boom lift. The orange handle is the throttle. Full instrumentation package, as you probably expect. Hydrostatic pedal on the floor, so you've got a rocker pedal assembly. You can see how that's laid out down below. All the basic controls that you'd expect on the fender. So you've got a high-low range, so it's a two-range hydrostatic transmission. The orange lever lower down is your four-wheel drive on and off, so you can switch out of four-wheel drive if you want. And the black handle is your three-point hitch adjustment for height. So in this case, we've got a mid-mount 50-inch mid-mount mower, which is a nice add-on. All of these tractors come standard with a mid-PTO. It's a standard skid steer style quick attach, which you're seeing up here. So two handles will remove the bucket on and off. And if you choose to add, say, pallet forks or a different bucket, it's very simple and easy to do. So it's a nice feature. We do add some of these chain lifting hooks. Customers like that as well. I'll give you some overview here on this side. So the yellow handle, typically yellow would be sort of PTO related controls. So we have this PTO engagement with two positions, basically off, and then you'd have rear and mid PTO on the yellow handle. So basically you've got a light package. So up here we've got a multifunction switch for your turn signal indicator, left and right, high and low beam, and underneath that is your hazard switch. Down below you have the speed control for the three-point hitch. You've got an adjustment knob for cutting height on the mower deck, as well as a pedal for differential lock, which I don't know, you probably won't need it very much, being that you've got four-wheel drive. Brakes are on this side. You can see the loader in this case has just one pin on each side. If you do choose to remove the loader, it's got these drop-down stands, one on each side, so it'll physically come off just by removing these pins, and some quick connect fittings that you can see over there on that side. So basically set it up to unplug it, drive away, and leave the loader standing. The mower is relatively easy on and off. I mean, it's a drive over deck, so you're designed to be able to drive over. Hookup is, you can see the actual linkage on the front, so you just link that up. There's a PTO shaft that you connect, and one pin on each side. So I mean, easy to do. I find a lot of my customers that buy with a mid-mount deck tend to leave them on, even if they're super easy to take on and off. People are just inherently quite lazy, and if you can leave it there and do all your other work, they tend to do that. On this side, a small toolbox, fender mounted, a seat that rotates around, so this lifts and turns. And on the back side here, you can see the backhoe controls and the top link, which typically is not installed if you're using the backhoe. Same as the three-point arm lift assembly. So these are typically just removed when you're running around with the backhoe. So nice little backhoe. You've got a step here that you can use to climb aboard. It's relatively easy on and off. The backhoe can be equipped with a mechanical thumb. A lot of our customers choose to add a thumb for log handling or rocks, burn piles and scrub, that type of thing. So you can sort of see the mechanical aspect of the way this backhoe is put together. Very nice compact machine. So we have these in stock, set up with loader backhoe mid-mount mower combinations, and these currently have promotional pricing on them and some very flexible financing packages with a minimum down payment, and you can have a payment that suits your needs. Get it down to a point where it's really not super impacting on a monthly budget. So that's an overview of the machine. Keep in mind these all come with a 7-year parts and labor powertrain warranty. So there's no deductible on that warranty. So some of our competitors have a $200, $250, $300 deductible on every warranty claim. Now it's not like you're going to have lots of warranty claims, but just keep in mind that some of the manufacturers do have deductibles that they don't advertise or tend to talk about for good reason. And yeah, that's kind of it. So the warranty on this one is 2 years bumper to bumper on the tractor. Keep in mind that when you're talking warranties, and whether you're looking at a red one, a green one, or an orange one, you always want to clarify loaders and backhoes have their own independent warranties with different terms and conditions than the tractor. So when dealers talk to you about tractors and warranties, make sure that you get information on the tractor itself and then any of the attachments that come with it. For example, even a mid-mount mower is going to have different treatment than the tractor. So that's it from downtown Metchosin near Victoria. Come on by, have a look. If you're interested, we'd love to put together a deal for you on one of these little guys. Have a good day.